What's up, guys? We're back again this year with a fireworks stash for 2026. Might have a couple more pickups yet to come, but this should be the majority of what I'll have this year and what's going in my show. So let's get started. Some of this stuff is from last year. I have two works. There's a Trippy, two Sky Battles, 100 shot. There's a Fear, and I have a case of Old Glory shells and a single box of the Samurai shells left from last year. Picked up a full case of the 16 shot 2-inch red, white, and blue puny. Supposed to be a pretty good cake. And back down here, I got a Morador, a Demon Knight, a Wild, Yippee-Ki-Yay, and a Dragon King. Over here, still got a Bite of Death, Alan Massey, a Demolition King, got an Impeach This, Ghostbusters. I have half a case of Thunder left from last year. There's two of the Who Let the Hogs Out back there. And then one Pig's Not in a Blanket. And I got 3 cases of 49 shot instant cakes. Got a Speedy Gonzalez, Drip. There's a Nosferatu hiding in there. And down at the bottom we have the Beast. And we got a Midnight Madness 45-47. And under the 45-47 hiding there's a Ghost. Got a Quattro 420 Big Bore, Screaming Eagle. Got a Master Big Breaks, a Bite of Death, Hitman down here at the bottom. And I have a few sliced cakes left. And some stuff, older stuff that I found on a vacation trip. I stopped at a few stores along the way. Found some Porky shells, Outbreaks, It shells, some Nightwings. Found a Chasing Rainbow, another 2-inch 16 shot. Bike Monsters, Not Your Average Cock, a High Voltage. Found a few packs of bunny ears. Some more Porkies there. Great Balls of Fire. Trump, I'll Be Back. Splendid Flowers. 3 of the Oinkers Rule. Dog Attack. And some Roman candles. I also found some rockets, similar to the Saturn V rockets. But that about does it this year. Oh, I got some Ghostbusters left from last year. And I think I'll be picking up another case of shells. And then maybe a couple more 1-1s. And then that should wrap it up for the year. Looking forward to this year and posting another show video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed.